come in. Grab a seat. Alright, how's it going? My name's Lawrence, I'll be a physio. How can I help you today? Hey, I've got an OzTag game coming up. My knee's been acting up. One of my physio mates says I've got patella maltracking, and he says I can tape it up before the game. Can you show me how to do that? So this is the best tape that I use for people with patella tracking issues. I like to use rock tape. Any kind of dynamic tape works well, but rock tape seems to do the job a bit better than anything else. So come back down. First off, you're gonna cut off a few strips. So coming up, start at the kneecap, you're gonna come up probably halfway up the thigh, and that's how long the strip's gonna be. So we're gonna cut to about that length, and it's gonna be and we're going to cut a third one that goes across the knee, just like that. So what I like to do with the tape is I like to curve the edges, just because it makes it harder for it to peel off, okay? So just cutting another corner. Okay, so you're going to do two strips. I call this the U. So you're going to start under the kneecap, strip go under, and then coming up along the quad. Okay, so take a bit of tape off first. This is special tape that stretches. So to anchor it down, you're going to put no pressure through it, just because you don't want any friction through that area, because you can get some burns happening through there. Take off a bit of tension, leaving a little bit of a strip. You're going to give it a pull, scooping under your kneecap. Make sure to lay it flush, and then leaving that tip at the end. Good. So if you do it properly, you should contour with the knee. Shouldn't really leave any kind of bends in there. Same thing on the other side, bit of a strip down. The thing with the dynamic tape, it doesn't really stick to itself well, so try to get onto the skin. Same thing now, put a bit of a tab, bit of a pressure, coming underneath, and then laying a little bit flat like that. Okay, so it's made a U, so this is going to offload your patella. Okay, a lot of kneecaps tend to track laterally, which is outwards. We want to help to push it inwards a little bit. So the last strip, we're going to start on the outside of the knee. Same thing, pull a bit of a tab. This time we're going to help the kneecap move a bit. We're going to push. Okay, you want a bit of creasing when you do this. Okay, so pulling over, pushing the kneecap, and this time coming down, and then again laying it flat. Okay, good. So you've got two strips bringing the knee up, and then one strip pulling it in like that. And that's how you tape your knee if you're going to do any kind of activity, or if you have any kind of tracking issues.